use multiline command. When I will use multiline command, they will show just two lines. So I want to make a window here. So what will I do? I will show how to fix it. So we will type ml style and click enter. Now this box will open. So we will create a new tile. We will give him name. I will give him name of window. Select continue. So at here we will add some new layers and some new lines. Click add and click add. OK. First layer we will give the offset 0 0 and then we will give offset 3 inches, then 6 inches and then 9 inches. Click OK. So here is a new style has been created. Set current and OK. Then type ml and here you can create your window. So thanks for watching our video.